This is Crypto Kernels. I am your host, Asa Kane. In this video, we're going to look at Axie Infinity. What is Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based trading and battling game that is partially owned and operated by its players. Axie Infinity allows players to collect, breed, raise, battle, and trade token-based creatures known as Axies. The Axies can take various forms, and there are more than 500 different body parts available, including aquatic beast, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Parts from each type class come in 4 different rarity scales: common, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. Axies can have any combination of body parts, making them highly variable and often rare and unique. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with the different attributes and strengths and can be entered into 3 versus 3 battles, with the winning team earning more experience, EXP points, that are used to level up on Axie stats or evolve their body parts. These Axies can be bred together to produce new and unique offspring, which can be used or sold on the Axie marketplace. The Axie Infinity ecosystem also has its own unique governance token known as Axie Infinity Shards, AXS. These are used to participate in key governance votes and will give holders a say in how funds in the Axie community treasury are spent. What makes Axie Infinity unique? Each Axie possesses 6 out of the hundreds of different body parts, each of which has its own battle move. This produces essentially endless variety among Axies, with most Axies having relatively weak statistics, while those with the strongest combination of body parts can have incredible stats. Unlike some other blockchain-based battling and breeding games, each Axie can only be bred a total of 7 times to help control the population of Axies. Axie Infinity has its own mating hub to help players find a suitable match to breed their Axie with, to stand the best chance at producing a rare or powerful offspring. It costs 0.005 Ethereum in addition to small love potion, SLP tokens, to breed Axies. So it costs to breed, just like in real life. Cost to have kids. AXS token holders will soon be able to stake their tokens to receive regular rewards. AXS holders will also need to vote and play to claim their rewards. How is the Axie Infinity network secured? The Axie Infinity token, AXS, is an ERC20 token launched on the Ethereum blockchain, as are 95% of all altcoins within the cryptocurrency world. Sometime in the middle of this to the end of this year, Axie Infinity plans to migrate its NFT tokens, including Axies, land, and other in-game item tokens, from the Loom network to a custom-built sidechain on Ethereum known as Ronin. Ronin is an application-specific sidechain built just for the Axie Infinity. It is being developed by Sky Mavis, the development firm behind the Axie Infinity game, and is designed to support almost instant transaction confirmations, reduce gas fees, and be capable of helping Axie Infinity scale. Now, if we look here, we can see some data on the Axie Infinity token. the market cap, which is just over $1 billion currently. And we can see here the total token supply. The total that was minted was 270 million Axie tokens. That's the most that there will ever be. 60 million Axie tokens are currently in investor hands right now, or roughly 23%, 1 out of 4. And if we scroll down, we can look at Axie's performance recently, which has been very active. If we can see here on June 22nd, excuse me, June 22nd, it was just over $3. So we're talking less than a month ago. And over the last couple of weeks, it has grown tremendously in value, reaching an all-time high of just under $29, July the 15th, last Thursday. So see what happens when a coin or token reaches its all-time high, just like Axie did. Early investors many times will sell their initial investment because they've made so much in profit within a relatively short amount of time. This is what causes the price to go from $29 down to $16. And it'll eventually go back up, more than likely. Now, who are the founders of Axie Infinity? Axie Infinity was created in 2018 by Sky Mavis, who we're looking at here, a technology-focused game developer with a team primarily based in Vietnam. It was co-founded by Trung Nguyen and Alexander Larson. This is Trung right here. He's the current CEO of the platform. He graduated with a BS in computer software engineering and worked as a software engineer at Audit and Transactions prior to founding Axie Infinity. Former competitive gamer Alexander Larson, who we're looking at right here, is also listed as co-founder and COO of the platform. He's been working in blockchain gaming since 2017. He previously worked as the executive security officer for the Norwegian government security organization and still sits as secretary of the board of directors at the Blockchain Game Alliance. Now, 6 critical qualifying questions. Number 1, what does the coin or token do? What purpose does it serve? Number 2, what is its market cap? Number 3, what's the total token supply? Number 4, who is the CEO of the company? Number 5, does it have a digital footprint? And lastly, number 6, does it have a loyal and active community? Now, these 6 questions must be asked and answered by you each time that you are considering investing in any token or any coin. Always. Now, if we go back here to coin market cap, if you are interested in purchasing Axie tokens, you can do so directly on Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world currently. You can buy with fees as low as 0%. We've included a link in the description of this video, as well as on our About page. You click on the Binance link, it takes you directly to their page. You can sign up for a free account. Simply input your email, create a password, the referral ID is in there. It takes 5 minutes. Now, we've also included a few other kernels for you, including $25 in free crypto from crypto.com, simply by clicking on that link in the description and creating an account with crypto.com. You will receive $25 in free crypto. Another one is Coinbase, $10 in free Bitcoin. Just by clicking on the link and creating your own Coinbase account today and purchasing $100 in crypto, you will receive $10 worth of free Bitcoin. And you don't have to keep it there. Just by creating an account and making one small purchase, you'll get free crypto. Now, along with this, one last thing that I definitely want to stress to everyone is to protect your crypto. No matter which exchange it is on, it is never a good idea to leave your crypto on any exchange for an extended amount of time. We have a saying, not your keys, not your coins. Therefore, we have included a link to Ledger. Ledger is the leading manufacturer worldwide of cold storage crypto wallets. They are based in Paris, France. They have several different models to choose from. You simply transfer your crypto from whatever exchange it's on into your cold storage wallet. You can take your wallet with you any and everywhere you go, and your coins are with you in your possession. It is the only way to own crypto. One last thing that I want to stress is to never leave your coins, never buy your cold storage wallet from a third-party seller, i.e. Amazon, eBay, or any place like that, because that means that your wallet was owned by someone else prior to you, and they have access to your keys, meaning your money. Now, if this video has brought value to you, click on the description, on the subscribe button right there, and that way you will ensure that you will not miss out on any future crypto kernels. Until next time, get in there and make it happen.